this nonsense. Look at this nonsense.
My Nigerian don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the website. It just happened. The Kaduna State government don't come announce say they don't release the 287 school children that will be kidnappers that be kidnapped from inside Kuruja Chikun local government area of Kaduna State. And at the state government now they come out to call yarn this talk on Sunday, March 24th, 2024. But they not really yarn if maybe they pay ransom before they release the children them, or maybe now call over police now rescue them. The Nigeria Calabar police don't confirm say 6 police officers them they miss and they don't move by already as a contact. Say now Drew say that they touchlight about the 3 Calabar police officers that we say that they lost for inside Delta State where they call Yanis. After we say they can't catch 5 suspects them, we say they join body take by those police officers them. And the person we say yarn this story. Now the top person of a Calabar police will be ACP Olumiwa Adejobi. Now come out call yarn this talk on Saturday will be March 23rd. 2024. About 2 Calabar police officers them under Mopo 18 for inside Owerri don't move their lives. So after we say unknown government they attack them, then we say they did for inside a patrol motor along Gariki Road for inside Okigwe for Imo State. And on Saturday will be March 23rd, 2024. And this begate happen. The governor of Kano State will be Abba Yusuf on Friday will be March 22nd, 2024. Don't come provoke because of the yeye food. We be say that the share they give people for this Ramadan feeding program. We be say the Kano State they do. And I don't we be saying pay surprise visit to one of the feeding center where they for inside Gidan Maza for municipal local government area. Now the governor come discover say na yeye food na they share they give people after where the state government don't budget or pay 5 billion naira for the Ramadan feeding program.
Look at this nonsense. Look at this nonsense. Why
Defense headquarters don't declare the factioner of the indigenous people of Biafran leader will be Simon Ekpa wanted. And on Friday, March 22nd, 2024, now they declare them with 96 other persons then because of the terrorists and attack where they happen for inside southeast of Nigeria. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't they beg Nigerians they say may they try to patronise Nigerian made goods for inside Nigeria. Now be the goods we say that they produce for inside Nigeria. As in on the talk, say if they buy them from ourselves, say this one will come promote our own goods them. What you they call spending power, and also it go even help our Nigerian naira and kobo to devalue well. For on top this video where they see the former Labour Party presidential candidate will be Peter Obi, during we saying go visit the Makas Agege Lagos for inside the Arabic and Islamic Training Center where they for inside Lagos State. The former president of Nigeria will be Olusegun Obasanjo don't visit the Abia State governor will be Alex Oti as him meet am for inside a house. So through we say in the gym for in house now so Obasanjo can join them for on top the gymming exercise. We make Obasanjo can they run for the gymming. Also can show them say himself see they fit to an instant gidigba. But later they can still discuss some matters wey concern Nigeria and also Abia State.
I will urge you that to pay adequate attention to infrastructure.
The former winner of Big Brother Naija wey name be Miracle don come finally come show on top this video say he don finish in aviation school as he don become pilot. As he come show for on top this video as he dey take dey fly plane. The operatives of a Calabar police command for inside Bauchi State don't come catch one former prisoner who Oyibo they call ex-convict with 2 other people them. Say because they go thief-talize Okada motorcycle for inside Gidan Rewa area of Bauchi State. And their names now Yusuf Adamu, 30 years old, Mohammed Sanusi, 20 years old, Mossad Ibrahim, 20 years old. And the value of the Okada, we say they buy now 400,000 naira. Meanwhile, they thief-talize the Okada, can go sell them 100,000 naira to person. Now 15th of March 2024, now Calabar police arrest them. Family of the ABSU medical student wey be say kpai on top the accident wey be say they get it, wey be say they go attend one of their colleague induction. You don finally come show this video of the last video wey be say the girl do before they get the accident for inside the motor, and the name of the girl na Favour Okpanko. Now on Thursday, March 21st, 2024, and they get this ogbonge accident. Also, the senior sister of another ABSU student, a medical student, wey be say kpai on top the accident wey the boy named the Ebube. The sister don come dey mourn the brother, come dey cry o, as she come post the last chat wey be say she with her brother take chat before they come get the ogbonge accident wey kpai 3 of them. The Adamawa State Calabar Police Command on 22 of March 2024 don arrest 24-year-old lady wey be Bestie Sebastian because she go hire one Sheila boy wey be Omila boy to attack and also rob one of him friend as they come collect that him friend the phone. And the Calabar police don talk say they go charge 2 of them to court. No be small wahala, so Nigeria Calabar police don come stop some Oyibo men there for inside Nigeria just to search their car and also to check their particular. Na so the Oyibo men there come change am for the Nigerian police, come dey shout for Nigerian police, and plenty Nigerians they don come dey yarn o. Say to say na fellow citizen of Nigeria dey shout for police like this, say the policeman for don sand the person ear. Say but this one na Oyibo, the policeman no fit do anything.
Where you come from? You want to try show your power? What do you want? Tell me.
14-year-old young boy wey be say no dey work o, but in spam dey work well. He don come give 2 girls belle, and the 2 girls, one of them dey for inside SS1 while the other one dey for SS2, and this matter happen for inside Delta State. Rain wey fall on Sunday, March 24 to 2024 don carry plenty electric pole fall for ground. They can't even remove roof of houses and even scatter plenty of the walls them wey make the walls they come break full ground as plenty people they come dey run for their lives, and this gbege happen for inside Benin City, Edo State.
So see po, from the starting of that place to the ending, see.
I don't want to come and madam beg.
Hey!
The former Chelsea football star wey be Jeremy Njitap don come fight divorce from him wife wey be say him marry for about 12 years now, after wey they go do DNA test to come find out say him not be the biological father of the 2 children wey be say 2 of them na twins. Meanwhile, those 2 children there na him wife former boyfriend na him get them. That's why I come show say him wife dey knack him former boyfriend Pekus wey make her come born for the boy. This na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.